Reset my Garmin outdoor watch. There are a few instances in which a watch may need to be reset. These include that the watch is not receiving a satellite signal and the watch is not functioning properly. Performing a reset will erase some user data. Therefore, we recommend you to back up user data and settings before proceeding. Now, we will show you how to perform a master reset. First, performing a master reset ensure watch is powered off. Second, press and hold back that. Third, power on watch while continuing to hold back that. Fourth, release back that buttons once reset default settings message appears. Fifth, select yes. The reset is successful. If the master reset does not work, another method to reset the watch can be tried. First, ensure the watch is powered off. Second, press and hold the down, start, and back buttons. Third, power the watch on while holding these buttons. Fourth, after the first beep, release the start button. Fifth, after the second beep, release the remaining buttons. The reset is successful.